Welcome to part 4 of my Pokemon flipping series, where I teach myself how to invest and flip Pokemon cards on eBay. If we're just meeting, my name is Charles, and on this channel, I focus on giving you the best tips and tools to improve your eBay store. So if that's something that's interesting to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, but we're going to get into the video. What I'm going to show you, and if you're just starting out, I recommend that a lot of you start out here. These are going to be some actual investments that I have made under $50 that I can flip. I try to aim for double my money. I can't do that right now, but these are some quick flips that you can make to build up your income. Now you can start buying PSA graded cards, and that is when you really unlock your earning potential. So the first thing I'm going to show you here, and I just got these today because it just came out this week. I bought 4 packs of Vivid Voltage. I bought one of each artwork. These are single booster packs. Of course, bought them for $4 each. I can get $25 out of these plus shipping. So good quick flip on these guys. What you're looking for in these, if you're new, if you're just getting into Pokemon, what you're looking for is there's a VMAX Pikachu, which is this guy right here, and that card is fetching over $200. I'm going to put that here, and they also have secret rares. First time releasing secret rares in these packs. So again, I really want to open these, I'm going to be honest with you, but I'm not going to because I have learned my lesson. You do not open new packs, you sell them. So $25, 4 packs, that's a good little quick flip. Second thing I bought, also from Vivid Voltage, I bought some theme decks. And this is also good if you only have under $50 to invest. These go for these go for $15 each. I bought the 2 new Vivid Voltage theme decks. We have a Charizard and a Dreadnought. The Charizard one, this card here, you can only get it in this theme deck. So the value on these guys are just going to go up and up. So I can bundle these together, sell them for $40 plus shipping. That's a little quick $10. That's a quick $10 flip. And it's good because you can go to your local Target or Walmart if you can, and you can actually find these guys. So, and while we're talking about theme decks, I bought some XY Evolutions theme decks. We have the Pikachu and the Mewtwo. And again, as you can see, I bought both sets of the theme deck. So, bundle them together. I can get $40 for them plus shipping. And as you see with these, since they're older, $9.99. $9.99? Yeah, that's what I got them for. So $20 into $40, double my money. The last 2 things I bought, which I can only show you one of, is I bought some graded cards. PSA graded cards. So I bought this one. This is a Gengar. It is graded at a PSA 6. I spent $15 on this card. So I picked it up for $15. I could probably sell it right now for $30. I don't know why I haven't listed it yet, honestly, but that is a PSA. This is actually, oddly enough, this is my first PSA graded card that I've ever owned, so that's cool. But yeah, we have a Gengar PSA 6 and another investment under $50, and you can buy these PSA 6s. What I have learned is you actually don't want to go that low on the PSA number. You want to stay around PSA 7 or 8. If you can get a 9 or 10, you're like really making profit, but PSA 7 and up, PSA 7 and up, and just make sure it's Wizard of the Coast. So what that means in Pokemon, Wizard of the Coast, it just means is that's the company that first started out making Pokemon cards before Nintendo took over. If you look at the card, you look at the bottom, you'll see Wizards. I don't know if I can get that on camera, but you'll see right there in the corner Wizards. If it says Wizards, it's the Wizard of the Coast set. Those are what you really want to look for. They're very high value items. The other thing you want to look for, so you have Wizard of the Coast. And this one doesn't have it, but the other thing you'd want to look for is right here. There would be a little stamp that says first. That means it's a first edition card. So if you can get something that says first edition and Wizards of the Coast, then you're raking in the profits. And it's a PSA card. It is pretty much a profit. Make sure to check your sold listings because you don't want to overspend on something, obviously, because we're flipping. We're just getting these cards and reselling them. Gengar PSA, first PSA card. The last card I bought, I can't even show you because there's stuff at the post office and I can't get my card, but I'll throw it up on the screen. It's actually a raw War Turtle. The thing about this card that makes it valuable is it's shadowless. And what that means, we look at the Gengar, and it's kind of hard to see, but right here, around the border where the actual Pokemon is, there is a little shadow. And the card I got, the War Turtle, does not have that shadow. It's just like a flat, the border around it is just a flat to the surface. Makes that card really valuable. So the absolute most valuable is going to be the shadowless with the little first edition stamp. And then if you have a shadowless without the first edition stamp, that's the second. And then no shadowless, no first edition stamp, Wizards of the Coast. If it's a base set, like the first set we released, and we can go into more depth on that in another video, that's your third most valuable. But there you have it. Quick little video. I promised I was going to show you what I'm actually buying that's making me money. Theme decks, they're very valuable. Booster packs, you got to be careful with those. You want to buy them in higher quantity, sell them in higher quantity. But you know, if you get the lot of 4, all the artworks, or if you get more, just make sure to get all the artworks, sell them all the artworks together, and you're raking in the profits. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Pokemon content or more video game content, and I'll see you in the next video.